Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn another OOPS concept, that is encapsulations. After that, I'll create a separate video for polymorphism, abstractions and inheritance. So now let's focus on the encapsulations. So what is encapsulations? So first point is data and security, data hiding and security purpose, okay, that encapsulations are used. But what is the definitions of encapsulations? The definitions of encapsulations, it says that wrapping up a data into a single unit. So just like a capsule, like inside that capsule you can see there are several particles are there wrapped into a some kind of a special wrapper, right? So that is the definitions of encapsulations. But why these encapsulations is needed? Why, right? The main funda to use the encapsulations is protects the data from unauthorized access, then improve the security, makes code maintainable and flexible, and also allows to control access using the methods. There are total 4 points why we need encapsulations, but measure is protect the data and improve the security. Now, last point about the encapsulations, how we can achieve encapsulations, how we can achieve, okay? So the rules is saying there is a two ways. One is make the variables private. Whatever variable you are going to declare, so make all the variables private, okay? Point number one. Point number two, you have to provide public getter method, okay? Getter and setter method means anybody who wants to change the value of the variables, they can change the variable by using the setter method, and if they want to get the value they will use that getter method. So that is means there is a no direct access of the variable, so that is increasing the security, okay? Now let's take a very simple example. My class name is bank account, okay, fine, and my variable is private double balance, okay. I have a variable called balance, and now I have a public method, public double get balance, okay. So I'll be returning this balance, okay. And now I'll be having another method called public void set balance, okay. So I'll be taking a double as a amount, okay, and my part is, okay, balance is equals to amount, okay. Now you can see, first of all, this is my class, right? This is my class bank account. Now my balance is a variable which I declare private. So as per the rules, the variables are private. Now if I need to get the balance or update the balance, I have to use that public getter and setter method. So get balance, through the get balance I can get the balance double value, and through the set balance I can set the amount in the balance variable. So that is means it is increasing the code security, and it is not providing direct access to change the value of the variable. So that's all about related to the encapsulation. Still, if you have any doubt, just let me know in the comment sections. I'll try to explain you better way. That's all. Thank you. I'll see you in next video. Bye bye.